Hey there, English learners. I'm Robert, and today we're using the simple present tense to give instructions and talk about the future. Robert teaches English.
Hello?
Hey,
What? What do you want me to do?
get up. Get out of bed. Go to the kitchen. Open the cupboards. Make a sandwich. Eat the sandwich. Go to the door. Open the door. Go outside. Walk to your car. Get in your car. Start your car. Turn your car off. Get out of your car. Walk back to your house. Open the door. Go inside. Find your cat. Pet your cat. Go to your room. Go back to bed.
We use the simple present tense to give instructions or tell people what to do.
Find your cat. Pet your cat.
When we do this, there's actually no subject in the sentence, although the implied subject is you, the person being instructed. The fancy word for this is the imperative mood for all my fancy pants students out there. This is pretty straightforward. Now, watch this video in which two men use the simple present tense to talk about the future.
Hey Bob, you leave tomorrow morning, right?
Isn't tomorrow Wednesday?
No, tomorrow is Thursday.
Oh, then I leave tomorrow afternoon.
What time?
My plane departs at 2 p.m.
When do you get back?
I get back on Sunday at 4. Why?
I'm busy later, so we can't hang out.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's okay. I love you.
We sometimes use the simple present tense to talk about the future. We do this to talk about events that are already planned
Oh, then I leave tomorrow afternoon.
or events that have a regular timetable or schedule.
No, tomorrow is Thursday.
Most of the time we use the simple present tense to talk about the future. We include a time phrase of some sort. Tomorrow, tonight, next week, for example. This is because if we don't include a time expression, the listener will assume we are talking about a habitual action. If I say, my sister starts work at 8, the listener might think that my sister starts work at 8 every time she goes to work, which is a habitual action. And you can learn more about that in my video about habitual actions. My sister works at 8 tomorrow would be much clearer. The listener knows I'm talking about when she starts work tomorrow. Specifically, tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
As you can see, we do use the simple present tense to talk about the future as well. Now, were there any questions? Yeah.
Hi, Robert. My cat is very hungry every morning. Can I say my cat is hungry tomorrow?
Good question. No, this is not something we would say in English. Even though your cat feels hungry every morning, this is not a planned or scheduled action. We don't use the simple present tense to talk about future feelings. Hunger is a feeling of sorts, a state of being. What you could say instead is, I feed my cat tomorrow morning. Maybe someone asks, can you come to breakfast? No, sorry, I feed my cat tomorrow morning. Although, that's not a very good excuse, and you should go to breakfast with your friend. Any more questions? Well, If you have any more questions, please comment below. I would be happy to address them. This marks the end of my series on how to use the simple present tense. If you think I left something out, or if there are things you still want to know about using the simple present tense, please leave a comment below, and I would be happy to make more videos to address those. As always, thank you for learning with me. You are doing a great job, and I believe in you. See you next time.
Hey there! I can tell you like my videos. Don't forget to subscribe.